guys had to make the best pranks ever, man.
Have you ever had your brother walk into your room while you were sleeping? No more. All you need for this prank is a doorway, some tape, and plastic wrap. First, hold the wrap across the doorway. Next, tape it into place on the sides. Now, wait for your brother to steal something.
Too many people sneaking around your house? Well, look no further than the trip line. All you need for this prank is some string, scissors, and tape. First, measure and cut the string. Second, attach the string in the walkway. Take that, thieves!
Have you ever wanted to scream at your brother when you're not home? Then the screaming chair is for you. For this prank, you need your brother's favorite chair, some speakers, some batteries, and some tape. First, attach the speakers to the chair. Second, hook up batteries to the speakers. Third, program the speakers to scream at your brother. Now wait for your brother to sit and enjoy. Thanks for watching and subscribe, man! Do it!
Do it! Do it!